What's up, online shoppers? This is a gorgeous Christmas tree by YITAHOME, and it isn't just warm white lights. It actually comes with 2 different lighting colors and 8 different lighting modes. So this is their 7.5-foot tree, but it does come in a couple other sizes, and it is really quality construction. The lights are a beautiful warm white light if this is what you like, but they also have other settings too. I'll show you. I'm just gonna crouch down here and run through all the different settings that you've got. It's such a pretty tree. Now, I love this tree for lots of different reasons. I love it because it's really quality construction. This tree has hinged branches, so you don't have to put anything together except for the top piece, the middle piece, and the bottom piece. And then all you have to do is unfold the branches, fluff them up, and you have this gorgeous, beautiful tree. As well as I showed you, you can choose between warm white and multicolored lights, which gives you a lot of different options for design choices. I love that you can make this tree your own and that it is super high quality. It has a really great base on it. It's like an X shape, which gives it enhanced stability and means that when you get this all decorated up, you don't have to worry about your tree falling over because it is really nice and sturdy when you set it up here. Now, as far as how wide it is, it's about 4.5 feet wide, which is nice because it doesn't take up all of your space. You can easily tuck this in a corner, and the profile is not so big that you have to take out more than maybe a chair or a stool, which is what I have to do in my living room. I love that I have all these different light choices to choose from. I love that I can take it so that it's solid on or flashing, running, or just white or just multicolor. There's so many design choices with this tree, and every single year I get compliments on how beautiful it is. It's a gorgeous Christmas tree. It goes together really easy, and year after year it looks as beautiful as the year that I bought it. If you are looking for a gorgeous tree, you've got to think about this one from YITAHOME. It's definitely a family favorite at my house.